Yes. Good morning. And myself, CA Ravikiran. I'm a chartered accountant and also into teaching from last 5 years. And this video is for those who are pursuing BCom or who completed BCom recently. Or sometimes there may be students who dropped in the middle of chartered accountancy course or cost accountancy course. Now, if you are aiming to get a good job and settle in a career of accounting, then this video is for you. And now, so what kind of skill sets are required to get into a job in relation to accounting? So there are particularly 5 areas you need to focus upon, and first one, it is accounting. So in accounting we need to have theoretical knowledge, along with that practical knowledge on using various softwares on accounting. Say for example Tally, SAP, or it may be QuickBooks sometimes. But however, at minimum, basic accounting in relation to Tally or basic Tally treatment, Tally accounting is what it is required. So accounting, and along with that Tally theory and practical is required. Point number 2, we need to focus on income tax. Income tax overall knowledge is required, and along with that filing income tax returns and attending the notices which we receive. So that's what we need to aim for. Point number 3, GST. Both theoretical knowledge, and along with theoretical knowledge we need to have knowledge on generation of e-way bills, generation of e-invoices, and sometimes filing returns like GSTR 1, GSTR 3B, etc. is required. So overall knowledge on theory, along with that theory we need to have knowledge on filing returns. That's what practical is also required in case of GST. So most importantly, we need to have the knowledge of MS Office, particularly in relation to MS Excel, usage of various formulas of MS Excel, and MS Word is also required. MS PowerPoint is also somewhat required. So this is the third area. Computer skills are what we need. Point number 4, personality development. What comes under personality development? How we present ourselves to someone. So how we need to face the interview, and how we present ourselves, how we talk, how we walk, in fact, everything, how we shake hands with each other. So this is what we need to understand, and these are the 5 skill sets which we need to have to get a good accounting job in the industry. So that's what is the need from the industry's point of view. And if you are aiming for that, and you can attend a workshop which is been taken up from our side by 5 chartered accountants. In fact, we are 5 chartered accountants. We are having a good workshop on these 5 areas. And it is a 35-day program where we conduct 70 hours of extensive coaching on these all areas put together. So this may be really helpful for you in getting into a good accounting job. I hope you are all getting the point very, very clear. And target salaries would be around 25,000 in a place like Visakhapatnam, and it may be 30 to 40,000 in a place like Hyderabad. So aim for it. Be cautious, because this is what it is required from industry's point of view. If you fail to get this skill set, you are not going to get into a good job soon. So that's what we aimed for, and get associate with us, and we'll be guiding you in a right, proper way. Thank you. And any details if you need, you can just be in touch with me, and my number, you can take my number 97007 16787. This is the only number I have, and you can just ping me on WhatsApp to this number. Done. So just I'll just wind up the video now. Thank you. Bye.